Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Come on in, have a seat, relax, and enjoy. Today's video is going to be completely different than all my other videos, my DoorDash videos. As you guys know, I don't do gaming anymore, so completely different than that. Today, I'm going to be breaking down my channel's transition. So, if you haven't been here for a long period of time, I started off as a gaming channel and I did Kaboom content for roughly 2 years. I want to say I uploaded a lot of videos on Kaboom. I did a bit of Call of Duty Mobile, I did a cooking video and some crazy stuff here and there. But January 1st, 2021, I decided to take my channel on a different route where I would show much more of myself, and I thought I wanted to do tech review. I did that for roughly 3 weeks and came to the conclusion that tech review is very, very expensive, especially for the smaller channels. They don't have sponsors, and if you constantly buy phones ranging from $100 to $1,000, it does get very expensive very, very quickly. And the videos you post don't even bring in enough revenue to pay off the mobile devices you're buying. So I came to the conclusion that's quite expensive. And after that, I decided, since I'm already doing DoorDash, let me upload DoorDash content, upload content on what I learned, some tricks and tips to help other people. And since then, I've been renovating my room, making it all nice for my background and my second channel, which is going to be a clothing channel where I'm going to present my clothing that I bought during my college years, which was a ridiculous amount. And I'm still working on making that channel come to life, which is taking a bit longer than expected. But all of this is to say, I transitioned from gaming to a more personable type of a channel. And in doing that, I did lose quite a bit of subscribers, and I do not blame at all those subscribers for leaving, because they didn't come for this type of content. They came for gaming. Some people came for the personality, some people came for the gaming. And the people that came for the gaming or only enjoyed the gaming left or don't watch as much anymore. And I completely understand that. And as you guys noticed, my channel's average videos went from hundreds to thousands to tens to hundreds, if that makes sense. But even so, my income hasn't gone down, it's actually gone up. And the reason for that is, in the past, children were watching the gameplay, and now more adults are watching the videos, and the ads that are being placed on my videos are getting more revenue since adults are watching them and they could actually spend money to buy the items that are being shown on the ads. That's more complex, we're not going to get into that. But the point of it all is, I'm making more money from 100 views than I was making from 2,000 views when I was uploading gaming content. So obviously my income has gone down, and by no means am I making a living on the income I'm getting from YouTube. That was never the goal. I mean, it would be amazing if I could earn enough money to live on from YouTube, but that wasn't the big plan. I was always started off thinking I want to do something I genuinely enjoy. That way my enthusiasm genuinely comes through the camera and I don't have to fake anything. And even when I was gaming, I always said that as long as I enjoy gaming, I'm not going to stop. But honestly, I grew a bit tired of Kaboom. I still play Call of Duty from time to time, but I feel like that's just way too much of a saturated market for me to go into. And I'm honestly not that amazing of a Call of Duty mobile player. I'm maybe above average, but it's not like anything too crazy. So anyways, all this is to say, I am making more money than I was making in the past, even after transitioning, or especially after transitioning from gaming to more of a real life adult type of a channel. And here is my revenue. Let me show you guys my revenue in the past year. It's not anything crazy, but I hope that focuses in a little bit. That is not at all focused. Like, it looks like a white screen, but I'm gonna try to include a screenshot to show you guys how my income has gone up. And even in the past 3 weeks where I haven't been uploading, my residual income has been more than when I was posting daily for my Kaboom channel. I was getting 600 to 1,000 views on average per video. So yeah guys, I just wanted to keep you guys updated as to what is going on, where my mind is right now, the type of content I'm looking to do in the future. I really don't know how much more tips and tricks videos I could do on DoorDash. Maybe I could refresh them a little bit, but I mean, I'm covering what I'm learning so far. It's a journey, obviously, and as I learn and grow, so will my channel. But I have amazing plans for the future, at least for the fashion channel and this one as well. But stay tuned for that, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it informative in regards to my channel, where I'm at right now. But anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video.